Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to transfer money from card to PayPal. So go ahead and log on into your PayPal account, and when you get to this page, do notice on this account we have 2 cards currently. Now in order to transfer money from your card to PayPal, all you need to do is to simply link that card to your PayPal. By adding the card to your PayPal, you have access to the funds on that card so you can make payments when you're ready. So as you can see, we're going to simply click on link a card. So right here, we're going to put in the debit or credit card number. You're going to put in the card type, and this is usually auto selected from the credit card number. But you have about 4 options here. You have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. And then you have the expiration date, which you need to put, and the security code. This is going to be at the card, or if it's a virtual card, you can locate the security code on your app. And then you have the billing address. This will be automatic, so you're going to leave it as is, or you can click on the drop down to change it. Now, when you've put in all the details and click on link card, you will now have this card added to your PayPal. And when it's time to make payment, where you can select the card, you can click on the drop down or the options, select the new card, click on next, and proceed with your payment. So this is how you can transfer your money from your card to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.